So today I want to show you guys how I set up my VS Code, or I guess you would say my terminal, to open VS Code when I type in VSC. So I'm going to first CD into one of my projects. I'm going to go CD and then drag and drop my project folder here. Okay, boom, boom, boom. And then you'll see here when I enter VSC and then enter, it will just automatically open up inside this project. So I have Code Insiders, but you could do this with Code as well. So I'm going to show you how I set that up. So first thing I did was I went to my main directory here, and you'll see I have a zshrc file here. If you don't know how to get that, you just press Command Shift and P, and it'll bring this up so you can see the invisible files. But at the end, you'll see here alias VSC is equal to Code Insiders. So I'll just retype that again. Code Insiders and then a space and a dot. So quotations, Code Insiders, space, dot. So I will go alias. Oh, no. I don't want capital alias. Nope. VSC. No. Equal to quotation mark code dash insiders. Now if you're just using this for code, you could just go code and then this here, so dot, so code space dot, and then end quotation mark, and then you're going to save your zshrc file. And hold on a second, I'm just going to close out a terminal. Let's save this here, terminal here, and then I'm going to go open terminal again, and then you'll see, hold on, I will go back to my project, desktop, CD, this, and then go VSC, boom, and it opens up in Visual Studio Code, or Code Insiders. So that's that. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this tip was useful. Have a good day. Please subscribe.